up. Move. Good. I'm fine. I'm fine. I hope you are too. So we are going to start with letter I. So right about now. So do you see this spinning wheel? Okay. When you put your arm on letter K, you say K. Okay. Left leg. This one. This one. Letter J. Left leg. Left leg. Okay. Okay. Nanam. Yes. Nanam. Yes. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. E. Let's all say E. Yes. Letter L. So your left, your right leg. Yes, K. Right hand. Yes. L. So letter L. Put your left foot. Left. Is lemon? Yes. Which one? Which picture is lemon? Wow. Good job. Clap hands for it. Okay. Give me 5. Jacket. Which one is jacket? Oh wow. We said jacket. Say lamp. Oh wow. Okay. Good job. High five. Okay. Up. So this one is igloo.